Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina. This is one of my recipe carriages that I made. I used a paper studio bundle to make this carriage with and use this paper to wrap my box with. I applied one of my ribbons to the top of the box, and as you can see there on the bottom I placed some feet using the wood round pegs. Now you can use other items for feet for your box, but I chose to use the pegs on this one. I also used some of the stickers and embellishments that are in this pack on the box itself. And then I decided to create a set to go with this recipe carriage. So I started with the coasters that I got from Dollar General for a penny. And I used paper and embellishments from this particular paper studio set to create the coasters that go in this box. Now you can use this box as a coaster box, or you can use it as a recipe box, or any kind of trinket box that you want to use it for. This particular case, I'll be using it for the coasters, and I will be adding this to one of my kitchen baskets. Please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.